The question says, solve the inequality. We have 4 plus 3 over 4x plus 2 less than or equals 3 over 8 into x plus 1. How do we do this? Solution. So for 4 plus 3 over 4 into x plus 2, okay? So we have this sign as less than or equals, we have 3 over 8 into x plus 1, okay? So let us look at this side of the expression. So let us refer to as the left-hand side of the expression, write this as the right-hand side of the expression, okay? So let's start with this. So for 4, so let's have it here. So we have 4 plus 3 over 4, okay, into x plus 2. So let us solve this side. Okay, so let's distribute this with this. So we have 4 plus 3 over 4x, okay, when this multiply this. So this will multiply this as well. So we have 3 over 4 times 2, okay. So if we break down further, we have this as 4 plus 3 over 4x, okay, plus, so this will simplify this, okay, as a result of multiplication, okay. So here we have this as 3 over 2, okay. So we can write this as 3 over 4x, okay, plus 4 plus 3 over 2. So we have 1, okay, so we can work with the LCM, okay, with this fraction. So we have this as 2 as the LCM. So for 1 in 2 is 2, for 2 times 4 is 8, plus, so this is 1 times 3, okay. So here we have this as 3 over 4x, okay, plus, so for 8 plus 3, we have it as 11 over 2, okay. So we have replaced for the left-hand side of the equation, so we have it as 3 over 4x, okay, plus 11 over 2. So less than or equals, so let's work with the right hand side of the equation. So we have 3 over 8 is multiplying x, so we have 3 over 8x, okay, plus 3 over 8 is multiplying 1, we have it as 3 over 8. So from this point, we can bring x together by collecting like times, okay. So here we have this as 3 over 4x minus 3 over 8x. When we subtract this from both sides, okay, less than or equals, we have this as 3 over 8, so this is a positive. So here is 11 minus 11 over 2, okay. So we can use the LCM method to resolve this side. So this is 8, okay. So for 4 units is 2, for 2 times 3x is 6x minus, so when we divide this, we have 1, multiply by this, we have it as minus 3x, okay, less than or equals, so at this point, we have it as 8 as well. So this is 1, multiplied by 3, we have it as this. So when you divide this with this, we have 4, multiply it with this, we have 44. For 6x minus 3x, we have it as 3x equals over 8, less than or equals, so when we subtract this from this, so when we subtract this, we have this as minus 41 over 8, okay. So from here, we have this as 3x over 8, less than or equals minus 41 over 8, okay. So since they have common denominator, so we can multiply both sides by 8. So we have 3x over 8 times 8, less than or equals, okay, so we have here as minus 41 over 8 times 8. So here we can simplify this, 8 cancel 8, so we have this as 3x times 1, which is 3x, okay, less than or equals, so when we simplify this as well, we have this as minus 41, okay. So the next thing we do is to divide both sides by 3, okay, so that x can stand on its own. So we have x equals, x is less than or equals minus 41 over 3.